Hi, I'm Jeff with Wherefour. When I'm talking to cosmetics and personal care companies, one of the things that they struggle with is figuring out what products they make their money on and where they make the most money. So that's what we're going to work through today. So here we are in the production module with Wherefour. First, I'm going to show you how we figure out the costing side of the equation. I'm going to drill into a completed work order here for some face lotion. And as you'll see, it's a multi-step process, and what we do in Wherefour is we've got a list of all the ingredients that were included, the quantities and cost of each of those. We're going to add all those up, along with some packaging products and some labor. And in the end, we've produced 1,600 bottles of this product at 67 cents a unit. So then when we fulfill an order, we've created an order here for 1,600 units of that face lotion to a specific customer, in this case called Chelsea's Salon, and we'll ship that order out of the system. And then what we'll do is we have the ability to go into the reporting area in Wherefour, and we want to analyze the profitability of Chelsea's Salon orders. So we'll run that report quickly, and here we go. We've got that order that we shipped out to Chelsea's Salon of 1,600 units. The cost on that item was $1,069. We sold it for $1,488, resulting in a profit of $418 at 28% margin. Of course, we can do this across product lines for specific products and for specific customers. And that's how we figure out profitability in Wherefour.